Hi ladies, today I'm going to show you guys how to do a new post, which is probably the most important thing that you guys are going to be doing. So let's get started. So this is your dashboard. This is what you see when you first log in. What you want to do to add a new post is go to this title that says posts, hover over and open this tray by clicking the little arrow and go to add new. So here you have the settings for your post. There's a few little things that you're going to be doing. The first thing that you want to do is add the post title. So let's say bedroom inspirations or bed cover or whatever describes your post the most. And then right here you have your body paragraph. This is where you're going to be writing all the information about the post. You're going to have your images in here, and everything basically goes in here. So what you first want to do is have your images or your image, depends how many you want to put in a post. And then you're gonna have a body paragraph, maybe 2 to 3 sentences, maybe a paragraph long, explaining the pictures. And then at the end you're gonna have a credit, which basically tells you where you got the pictures from. So let's just get started and show you how to add a new image. So I found this blog. So you go on different blogs, you can find them in multiple different ways. I'll show you later how to find them through Pinterest, but for now let's just show you how to add an image. So you have this blog, and I'm gonna add this image as my inspiration. So if you can, please download Google Chrome if you don't have it. I think Mozilla does the same thing, so that you have the same tutorials. Internet Explorer is not really a good one for this stuff, but okay, let's get started. So you have your image, you're gonna right click on it, and you're gonna go to copy image URL, click that, and go back to your post, and then you see here upload and insert, and the first one it says add an image. This is the one you're gonna click. And the image that you got is not from your computer, so it's from a URL. So you're gonna click from a URL. This is what you're gonna do most of the time. And then you're gonna go to image URL and paste the code that you just copied. Everything else right here, just leave it empty. For alignment, center so it looks nicer. For link the image to, just leave it empty and then just go to insert to post. So there's your picture. I clicked space and enter, and then under it you can start typing your description, maybe 2 to 3 or 2 to 3 sentences to a paragraph, depending what you think you'll need more or less. So you just type your description right there, and then go over here and align to center that too, and then click enter a few times, and at the bottom you're gonna have the sources. So here you're gonna put for each post you do, it's gonna be the same. You're gonna have photo 1, photo 2, photo 3, depending how many photos you're gonna put in this post. Right now we only have one photo for this one, so you can just have photo 1. And then what you want to do is highlight over the first one, for example photo 1, and you're gonna click link, insert link. Then you're gonna need the URL of it. So you go back to the blog, and this is the page you got it from. So you're gonna copy this, that's the link, and you're gonna paste it onto here, and then you're gonna click open in the new window or tab, and you're gonna leave the title empty, and then just click add link. So then you see now it's a link. You would do the same thing if you have a second photo. You would do the same thing and add the link to a different website, where you got the second photo from, third photo, and etc. Now if all your photos are from the same website, then you would just write photos instead of photo 1, 2, 3, 4. You would just write photos, and then the link will be from that website. So since we only have one photo, I'm just gonna keep it as photo 1. And then, or I'm gonna leave the other one so you can see what it would look like. Real quick photo. I'm just gonna leave these in so you can see what it looks like. And then that's about it for the main thing. So you just have a few photo inspirations, descriptions, what you think about them, how they could be good for other people, etc., etc. And then at the bottom you're gonna have the sources. Now on this side is where you have your settings. This one's the one you're gonna do last. First two ones you're gonna look at is the categories and the post tags. Categories, you always select inspirations and treasures. And then for post tags, is basically whatever words you can come up with that would describe this post, so that people, when they search for it, it would be those words. For example, pillows or bedroom inspirations or etc., etc. And then you press enter and you can keep adding more. These things are what people are going to search when they search in Google. If these match up, then they would see this blog. So it's really important that you use as many as you can over there so that this blog can be found more. So once you have those done, you can go to publish, and you can publish right now by just clicking publish, and then you can view your post, or you can publish on a different day by clicking edit, and for example clicking November 2nd, because that's a Wednesday. Since you guys are going to do it Wednesdays, you might want to publish your post earlier in the week, just in case something happens that Wednesday where you can't publish it, and just post it ahead. So say like Monday night you have nothing to do, then you can put this up and set it up for Wednesday to be published, and then you press OK. Now it says scheduled for November 2nd, etc., etc., correct? And then instead of publish, right here you'll have schedule, so you can click schedule, and then every time, even if you published it ahead or immediately, you have this button that says update. So if you have to change anything, you forgot to add some tags, or your picture isn't aligned in the center, you can change it right now, and then you can click update. So here's how you see your post. You click here and it views the post. So here you see your post. You have your title, bedroom inspirations, you have your photo, you have your sentences, your descriptions, and then you have your sources at the bottom. Since this one's only one, you will only have photo 1. And when you click that, it goes automatically to the website where you got it from. So that's basically what we want people to be able to do. And then if you forgot something or it's not centered, or you want to change your description, then you just go to edit post. It's automatically above your post right here. So go to edit post, and you can edit it right here, changing this. Maybe you want to spell check it. Okay. Another way to edit the post is when you log in, you go to all posts instead of adding a new one, and you can see which ones you have put in the last few days. You can see a little descriptions of it. When you hover over, you can click edit, view, trash, quick edit. Most likely you're going to want to edit it, and then you see your post over here, so you can do whatever editing you want and just click update. And that's basically it for adding a post. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll be happy to help you.